DBS Manufacturing engineers and builds heavy-duty clarifier and thickener rake drive systems for reliable performance in municipal and industrial facilities worldwide. DBS also provides mechanical aerators, rotary distributor center mechanisms, and hyperbolic mixers. Niles Young founded DBS 50 years ago. Today, DBS Manufacturing is located at the intersection of three major interstates with a 55,000 square foot manufacturing facility only 1 mile away from the Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport cargo terminals. Since the company's inception, DBS has always viewed its business through a global lens, forming relationships with some of the world's largest industrial corporations and OEMs across over 70 different countries. With decades of experience in wastewater equipment engineering and fabrication, DBS offers two configurations for rake drives: the S-Series, bridge-mounted drive units, and the D-Series, pier-mounted drive units, each engineered to meet structural, operational, and torque requirements while maintaining long-term durability and safety. DBS Manufacturing offers an extensive range of drive sizes. To precisely match torque output in each application, DBS drives can be configured with a selection of 4 primary reducers. The standard reducer is the L-type, which is an electromechanical system featuring a digital torque monitoring display with 4 to 20 milliamp output, an alarm, and cutoff switches. These primary reducers are paired with a planetary gearbox configuration. With this tailor-made approach, DBS can engineer retrofit drives to replace existing machinery without major modification to the rake or tank structure. These drives are designed to simply bolt in and can match existing alarm, cutoff, and speed set points. DBS drives are at the cutting edge of the field and feature precision gear bearings over strip liner bearings, are welded steel as opposed to cast iron, and forego use of worm gear reductions. Each DBS clarifier drive system is designed and manufactured with a focus on durability, precision, and long-term performance, with main gear bearings rated for 20 years of continuous operation. Additionally, DBS provides remote troubleshooting and spare parts support for all drives installed in the field. Engineers can also be contracted to come directly to the site for more complicated evaluations, inspections, and startup assistance. DBS Manufacturing drive units provide dependable operation, enhanced safety, and flexible configuration, giving operators and engineers confidence in their critical processes day after day.